Hello, my name is Ariful Hassan. This is the demo of the lab one. Um, uh, in this lab, I have completed three tasks. Task one, task two, task three. Task one is to extract data related to intelligence, and the main purpose of this program is to extract heading and body of the data. So I have taken two URL. One is from the Technology Review and another from Science Daily, which is one or two of the prominent websites. And in this code, I have gone to this website and uh, find out the required that H1 and whatever the class is there. And according to that, I have used this particular library, which is called Beautiful Soap, to extract the heading element from this website. Similarly, I have extracted the body element. Yeah, this is for the first URL, and for the second URL, similarly I have extracted, but I have to do it differently because the structure of this URL is different. So my class name for this content is different from the class content from the task one. So here is the difference is here. So it is just calling h1 heading and give it the text, and then I am writing it to the file. Let's run that file here. So if I run it, it's giving me status code 200. That means my website is properly populated. And then I actually, if it is 200, then I am calling this library and extracting the content from there. Else I'm exiting from this service. So if I go to the output, this is the task one output. So here for the task one web scraping, and this is my title, and this is source, and this is the heading, and this is the content. Similarly for this one, I have found the heading and the content here. Now I'm going to task two. Task two is here the similar way, but the difference is I am extracting the file into a CSV file. So I have chosen an e-commerce site, and here I'm searching only the TVs. So this page will, um, if I go to this page is look like this, and here there are some elements are TV elements are there. So I have just found of initially I looked for the div element or any content element that is containing this whole section. Then my plan is to iterate each of this content and extract the required information like the um, TV name and the price, for example. So here I'm doing that. Similarly, I have to check whether the status was 200 is returned or not. Then we proceed. We're getting the containers, which is in the UL, and I have found the class name from the inspect element. So if I go to the website and if I inspect it, then I can find the particular content ID and other thing from there. So when I find these containers, I am iterating the containers and writing into that CSV file. Let's run this. So here I'm printing all the product name and price, and this is also populated in the price.csv. So here is the price and this corresponding item name is extracted. For task 3, this is related to extracting weather. So I'm extracting weather from two different sites and storing that in the file as well as in Firebase. As I'm using Firebase, so I have to import the Firebase related libraries here. So some required libraries are imported. And then I have created some functions because we have to do a lot of things, like we have to initialize the Firebase first, So I have this function, then extracting the web page. So this is a common function because I will be extracting the file uh, information from two different URLs. So I have created a function for that. I'm parsing the date and time, and I'm also parsing the weather. So my extracted information will have the temperature. So it's probably it should have renamed it. It's in fact extracting temperature information, but time is whatever timestamp. So whenever extracting, I am collating that with that data. So here in the similar way, some beautiful soap library, we are getting the finding out the diff for this particular URL and extracting the value and then putting it into the weather information, city information. These informations are being extracted, and then the data is populated. Finally, when this data JSON is populated, we are saving this data into a JSON file, as well as this is the data, and we are saving it to local data. That is, we are creating a file and saving it to, as weather data.json file, and also we are saving it to the Firebase. So if I run this, the data will be stored in locally and also in the Firebase. Let's run this program. So Firebase initialized successfully, and I have printed some information, but let's go to the local first. So I have it's appending whatever file is already there, so that the previous information is also stored. So if I go to the down, and this is my latest data, and this is coming from two different websites like time data and weather.com, and storing the data properly here. So this is the current time. So this is the latest data. This one is I run previously. And the data will be stored in the Firebase as well. I cleared the Firebase data, so there might be some less amount of data compared to the local value. So yes, as I have cleared it already, so it's just extracting information from two different websites. So yes, that is the task for that is for task 3. Thank you.